Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we will be opening the Maze Glossybox. Before we get started, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I have uploaded. Now on to the Maze Glossybox. So this is this month's box. I feel like we've seen this packaging before. I think it was towards the end of last year. It's very dark, mysterious, gloomy, and it is definitely like a winter box, not a summer one, or a spring for that matter. It doesn't really reflect the month of May, it's giving more winter vibe. It appears that they may have had some spare boxes left, so they thought why not recycle them out and use those instead of the standard pink glossy box. Anyhow, let's open this up and see everything we have received this month. These are all the products I have received this month. As usual, we have the front cover, and then it goes on to give us the content and the editor's note, and then the theme behind the box, and lists out all the products, and then it goes on to give us tips around making makeup last longer and talks about moisturising and sun protection. We have also received a sample of the L'Oreal Paris Serum, and as usual we have the QR code here, and on the back of here it's given us a sneak peek of next month. Now let's scan the QR code to just read the editor's note. The editor's note states, "Hey Glossies, May has arrived and we've prepared something truly special for you this month. Get ready for a blast from the past as we're throwing it back. You'll have the joy of receiving either your iconic pink box or a special design delivered right to your doorstep. We have 5 amazing new products for you to dive into this spring season and some ultimate beauty treats to discover. With products from brands such as Philip Kingsley and eSpa, we have every beauty delight to help you give your beauty shelf an extra special reset for this season." So this was a limited edition box from last year which they have reused, which makes sense. Now the story behind the box states, as spring transitions into generous warmth of summer, Glossybox invites you to elevate your skincare routine for the sun-kissed days ahead. The third and final edition of our Spring Awakening series welcomes the season of renewal with our curated selection of products designed to uneven your most radiant complexion. Enhance the changing seasons with Glossybox handpicked essentials from luxuriously hydrating lip creams, invigorating hair boosting sprays and scrumptiously scented body lotions. Let our carefully crafted regime be your guide as you transition into summer, ensuring your skin glows with vitality and luminosity. Spring into summer with Glossybox and let your beauty blossom under the sun. First product we have received is the Eclat Skin Micellar water, which is worth $29.90. This is a micellar water which is limited edition with rosemary extract, and it's useful to remove any excess makeup and apply after cleansing. It also states on here it's for all skin types, and it just gives us a list of the ingredients on the back. Now let's smell it. It has like a sweet fruit smell to it, but you can definitely smell a bit, like a hint of the rosemary. Just going to apply some drops. Just applied a drop which is dribbled all the way down just to see the texture of it. It does have quite a strong scent to the skin, and I usually use it with a cotton pad. Next we have the Philip Kingsley Root Boosting Spray, which is worth £12. This is a root boosting spray which is supposed to bring life and volume to lifeless hair. So let's give it a spritz. It has a really nice scent to it. It smells a bit like baby powder. Yeah, definitely reminds me of like baby products. On the back we've just got a list of all the ingredients. It's good to know that this product does actually contain UV protection, so it's good because it will help prevent sun damage to the hair. Now I'm just going to try and open it up. Oh, I tried to open it but it doesn't seem to be working. Yeah, no, that didn't work out quite right, but you're supposed to apply this to wet hair and then blow dry it out. Then we have the eSpa Bergamot and Jasmine Body Lotion, which is worth £10. The eSpa Body Lotion is 75ml, and on the back it states, a beautifully light body lotion to moisturise, nourish and soften, infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils including bergamot and jasmine to leave the skin delicately fragrant and beautifully soft. And then it also has a list of all the ingredients, and I just want to smell it. Yeah, this is quite strongly scented. The jasmine is pretty strong, so it's a bergamot. I'm just going to take a teeny bit and apply it on the back of my hands. So I've got some here, and then just going to moisturise in. It's more on the liquid side. It does absorb in quite nicely, and it has quite a very smooth velvety texture. Next we have the makeup eraser in purple, which is worth $17.26. This is the makeup eraser. Quite curious packaging. On here it states erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick and more. let's open this up. Oh, it's cute. You've got little like crowns on the inside. Anyway, so this looks like a towel, which it is. It comes in many different colours. We've got all the shades here. This is what it looks like. So this is a double-sided makeup remover, so you just damp it and then remove all your makeup with it. It's quite a really good size. It's honestly bigger than like a hand towel. It feels nice and smooth. It always does before you use it, but yeah, nice useful little thing to remove makeup with. And finally we have the Dr. Pawpaw Original Multi-Purpose Balm, which is worth $4.25. Finally, we have the multi-purpose balm, which contains aloe vera and olive oil, so it's really good for nourishing and moisturising. It's multi-purpose because you can use it on lips, skin and cuticles, and I've got it in original. So I'm just going to apply some to my lips as I feel like they are drying out right now. So it's a bit hard to squeeze out to begin with, but I'll get there. Oh, there we go. So it is quite clear, and I'm just going to take some on my hand. Or shall I say my fingers, and apply some. I feel like I've got a bit too much here, so I'm going to just pat it on the back of my hand and put it on like so. Now my lips feel nice and moisturised. It's quite thick. It's a lot thicker than Vaseline, so I can see why it's moisturising. Oh, I almost forgot this. This is the L'Oreal sample. It's a Bright Reveal Dark Spot UV Fluid with SPF 50+, and then on the leaflet it states it contains niacinamide, and dark spots are reduced for 90% of women, age spots, sunspot, post-acne spots, and I think this is sponsored by Boots. Or maybe it's just a Boots leaflet, not too sure. So guys, this brings me to the end of my tutorial. These are all the products I have received. Now in terms of my final thoughts and opinions, I'm not too big on the packaging because it didn't scream out spring, but I appreciate the fact that they've recycled previous boxes and it's not just gone to waste. In terms of products, I feel like we've received a good selection from decent brands too. Now I've calculated how much the box comes to, and I come to a sum of $73.41. So that is a decent value for Glossybox, which means it's value for money. If you guys do subscribe to any boxes, I'd love to hear what you guys have received, and if you do have a Glossybox, I'd be interested to see which box you have received in terms of packaging. Now, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you guys found this useful, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Take care for now, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!